Ever wanted to give your videos that awesome, totally rad, retro VHS vibe? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and create that classic VHS effect in just a few steps. First, import your video footage into your project. Next, drag your footage onto the Create New Composition icon to set up your composition. Now, right-click in the timeline and select New, then choose Adjustment Layer. This layer will let us apply effects across our entire video. Head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Nose. Drag the nose effect onto your adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the nose amount until you get a pleasing grainy look. You can experiment with the nose type. I am going to select Uniform Nose. Next, search the Effects and Presets panel for Color Balance CC and drag it onto the adjustment layer as well. In the Effect Controls, play around with the midtones and highlights color settings to create some subtle color bleeding. Common in VHS takes. Adjust the color sliders to your liking. Subtle is key here. Now, search for Fast Box Blur and apply it to your adjustment layer. Now, increase the blur radius slightly. This will add a bit more realism to the VHS effect. Finally, add a bit of vertical distortion if you want to go the extra mile. Add a turbulent displace effect and adjust the amount and complexity for more wavy lines that VHS are characterized by. And there you have it. A cool, retro VHS effect is created using the effects in After Effects. Now go create and bring back the nostalgia. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.